All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good night to you guys. Happy New Year. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I just want to talk about setbacks, but with it being the new year, also fresh starts. Okay, and I want to be really honest and say I was hesitant to make a video, but I was like, I don't have to be embarrassed about sharing my journey, my hair journey, just because there are so many people that go through this as well. And so, without a whole lot of babble, we'll just get right into it. Where I am with my hair right now, I am finally at the end of what I consider to be my setback. I had a baby last November, so he just turned a year old in November. But I reached that part of my postpartum journey where I was experiencing a postpartum hair loss, and I won't go super deep into that on this video. If you want me to make a video about it and like what I did to try and remedy that, I'll make a different video about that. But I did experience some postpartum hair shedding, as I did with my other kids as well. And my recessions of my hair got really thin. You see it's starting to fill back in now. It's starting to grow in and thicken back up, but I mean, it was really bald there. And a lot of the thickness, I lost a lot of the thickness in my hair, just because that fluctuation of your hormones. Your body gets depleted of a lot of things post pregnancy and that postpartum period. So I did experience that. And so I am kind of even though I continued to take care of my hair, there really was only minimal things that I had control of during that postpartum period. So now I'm at a point where the shedding has slowed down tremendously, like to a point where I feel like it's about normal amount of shedding for what my hair did prior to having the baby. So now I feel like I can really get back into like the fullness of my regimen and really hit it hard, so that I can try to recover some of those areas where I was set back. So today I just want to share with you guys the products that I'm using right now, or that I used on my first shampoo day for the year. And we're just gonna start with the whole line and explain everything out. All right. Well, and just to rewind just a little bit, and I'll show pictures of this, kind of where my hair is now and where it was before I had this little setback. And so because of that, I did cut a few inches, just because, you guys, it was so thin, and I was like, whoa, what is going on? I mean, I knew what was going on, but it doesn't make it any easier to deal with while you're going through it. And so it's like, I knew what was going on, I knew the reason for it, but it's just like, ugh, like a blow to the heart, you know what I mean? Because I had worked so hard and I was so consistent for like probably the first time in my life with taking care of my hair, and so I had saw such beautiful results. So just to kind of see all of that like swiped away was tough. And in the grand scheme of life, it's not that serious, but I was sad, and that's just that. Okay, so like I said, I'll put the picture of what my hair was before, and then how it is now. Just took this that picture of how it is now a couple of weeks ago. Cut a few inches off the bottom. You can still see it's pretty thin right now. But I'm gonna just trim it little by little, not do any heat, lots of protective styling, obviously consistency with deep conditioner, and move on from that. Okay, so into my shampoo day regimen, you guys. All right, so right now, well, yesterday, because this under this hat, I washed it yesterday and just like let it air dry or whatever. So in 4 twists, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like under here now. But shampooed, TGIN, this is the Miracle Repair X Strengthening Shampoo. Okay, this particular shampoo, the key word in it is strengthening. Okay, so it has black castor oil and biotin, and this particular product will have some protein content in it. Okay, so if that's not what your hair needs right now, then make sure you are not using the protein, but we talk about that in another video as well. So I want to use this right now just because I'm trying to just keep a balance in my hair. So I do want to do a little bit of protein and moisture products. Everything else that I use will be hydration and moisture products for my hair, but with the shampoo I do have the biotin in this particular product. So this is my shampoo that I used. Obviously split into my 4 sections and shampooed each one at a time for maximum control and less tangling. You guys should know that tip, and if you didn't, now you do. And then this was my deep conditioner that I use. Now I will say, oops, I got the price tag on here, $6.99. So for this big jar, I mean, that is a really good price. So when I went to go re-up my products and get the deep conditioner that I normally use, typically I normally use the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask, but I was on a different side of town, went to a different beauty supply store than what I normally go to, and they did not carry the TGIN products. So I was like, I'm not pushing off my shampoo day anymore. So, you know, I just took a little time to look through the products that they did have for the ingredients that I wanted and would be beneficial for my hair. So this is the Elastic QP, which this is a throwback, y'all. I haven't used any Elastic QP since the days of my relaxer. So Elastic QP DPR-11 Deep Penetrating Remoisturizer. So this is what I use for my deep conditioner. I will do a review on it just because, you know, this is something that I haven't used recently if you guys want to know how I felt about it. But this particular one, like I said, is a deep moisturizing, and I left it on for probably about 45 minutes, which is probably a little bit too long, but I had to get out of the shower. I was dealing with the baby, etc. Life was happening, but this particular product recommends for you to leave on for 25 minutes and then rinse out. Okay, so I did rinse that out, and then in the shower, so you know, I do recommend that while you are in your warm shower, you're in that warm environment, that your hair is more open to accepting moisture. So after I rinse my deep conditioner out, I do like to apply my leave-in conditioner while I am still in the shower. So my leave-in that I use this time is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. Again, usually the Mielle leave-in conditioner, oh, I actually have one here in the salon. It looks like this. This is one that I also bought at that beauty salon or beauty supply store that didn't have everything that I wanted. They only had these packs. They didn't have this. This one is empty. But this is what the bigger full product looks like. So same thing, same thing. This is just in a pouch. So apply my leave-in conditioner one section at a time in the shower. And then after that, I will apply my TGIN Daily Buttercream. So now, you guys, this is the products that I will use for if I leave my hair in fat twists, or if I do like a medium-sized 2-strand twist, then these are the products that I will use for it. I do use the products liberally. You know, don't be shy, because you want your hydration to last for, you know, a couple, 2-3 days. Last time I did my 2-strand twist, my hydration was lasting for like a week before I had to like re-spritz it down and put some more product on it again. So this is the TGIN Daily Buttercream Daily Moisturizer, one of my favorites again. Oh, price tag on that again, this one's $14.99, so a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. I love this product. And then for my oil step, this is 100% pure castor oil. This particular one is by Handcraft Blends. got it off of Amazon. I will link all these products down in the description box if you guys want to check them out, get them off of Amazon if you want to. But so what you just saw me show you right now was my LCO method, which works great on my hair. LCO standing for liquid cream oil. So just to go over it again, obviously the liquid part was the water because my hair is already wet from being in the shower. These are my cream steps. I kind of double up on the cream steps. So this is like a lighter cream lotion consistency, and then this is like a heavier, it's not quite a butter, but it's not a light cream either. So I really like to layer on the products to keep that moisture in. So light cream, heavier cream, and then the oil step, LCO, liquid cream oil. All right, so another thing that I implemented before when I was, really deep into my hair growth length retention journey, I was taking liquid biotin. Okay, so this is SBR Nutrition Liquid Biotin, which is vitamin B7. This particular flavor is vanilla. It doesn't taste bad. All you have to do is take like a half of a dropper full every day, and it is this is the extra strength, so 10,000 mcgs. Okay, so I do recommend this. Also will be in the description box. I've heard mixed reviews with people's opinions about liquid biotin. I can also make a separate video about that as well. I've had really good success with it. I didn't have any breakouts. So you really just have to, it's a situation where you have to know your own body, or try it, and at the first sign of anything, of any allergy or any effects, and obviously stop. But it's a decision that everybody has to make independently for themselves. But me personally, I had great results with the liquid biotin in the higher amount of mcg. All right, and then also last but not least, a probiotic. A probiotic, this is a women's probiotic. It just gets your system all working together, and you being able to process your foods in your stomach, breaking down everything to get the nutrients that you need. So obviously, if your microbiome in your stomach is working properly, then obviously from the foods that you're eating, you'll be able to get more of those vitamins and minerals that you need in order to help your hair grow better, right? So this particular one is Garden of Life raw probiotic for women. This is a stronger one. It's 85 billion and 32 probiotic strains. Okay, so this one in particular for women, it's vaginal, digestive, and immune health. Okay, and I have done some research on the probiotics, and which ones work, which ones are good for you, what do you use them for. So if you guys want me to write or do a video on that, and just like what I've learned on that, then just let me know in the comments. Okay, so oh, and don't forget your water, you guys. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I'm doing pretty good today. So let me see, what time is it? It's probably about like 11. I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 11:30 in the morning. But this is how much water that I've drank so far for the day already. So not bad. I need to go ahead and drink some more of this so I can fill it back up again. This is 32 ounces. So I want to try to drink at least 3 of these a day. So not bad. All right. So let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. And thanks for listening to my journey. Thanks for not judging me on my setback. It's all in our heads. Nobody is actually judging us for our setbacks, even though like we feel insecure about it on the inside. But like, you guys are not alone. Please share your journeys with me. Please share your setbacks with me, like things that have worked for you. If you have questions about certain things that have worked for me and you just want to hear more about it, just let me know. We are all in this together, so I will see you on the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.